In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organization in Zendesk Support using the UI method. Let's dive into the process so you can efficiently manage your customer relationships through effective organizational structuring in Zendesk Support. To begin, the first step is to sign in to your Zendesk Support account. Remember, you'll need an administrator role to create organizations, so ensure you're logged in with the right credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, draw your attention to the left sidebar where you will find the organization's icon. Depending on your user interface, you might instead navigate by clicking on Customers, then Organizations. This simple action sets the stage for creating a new organization within Zendesk. Next, you'll want to locate the option to add a new organization. You might find this as an Add Organization button, or you could see a plus Add tab where you can hover and then choose Organization. This is where the journey of formally setting up your organization begins. Now, focus on the name field. Here, you should enter a unique name for your new organization. A thoughtful and descriptive name ensures clarity and helps in distinguishing it from others, particularly useful when managing multiple organizations. If you're looking to automate the process of adding users, you have the option to specify email domains for this organization. In the Domains field, enter one or more email domains separated by spaces. With this feature, users with these email domains will be automatically added to the organization as soon as they interact with your Zendesk support. Once you have saved these initial settings, you unlock several other customization options, adding more depth to your organization management. You can start by filling out additional fields like tags, which are crucial for categorizing and quickly identifying the organization in your system. The Details or Notes section is available for you to jot down any important information or specific instructions related to the organization. Additionally, consider how you want your tickets to be managed with group mapping. Here, you can set specific groups to which tickets from this organization will be automatically assigned, streamlining your workflow. You also have a choice regarding ticket visibility. Decide whether users within this organization can view all tickets related to the organization or just their own. This choice can significantly impact user experience and security based on the nature of your business. With these settings in place, your new organization is now created within Zendesk. You can start linking individual users to it or integrate it within your workflows to enhance your support operations. With the organization firmly integrated into Zendesk, enjoy the organization and efficiency it brings to managing your customer interactions and support tickets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guidance helps streamline your Zendesk management.